A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant turn of events this week, Special Counsel Jack Smith has officially resigned from his post within the Department of Justice, marking a pivotal moment in the ongoing legal saga surrounding President-elect Donald J. Trump. Smith, who has been at the forefront of two high-profile federal prosecutions against Trump, made his exit known through a court filing that was largely overlooked, tucked away in a footnote. The announcement comes just days before Trump is set to take office again on January 20th, 2025, following his victory over Democratic Vice President Kamala Harris in the November 5th election. Jack Smith, a seasoned war crimes prosecutor, had been appointed by Attorney General Merrick B. Garland to lead investigations into Trump's alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election results and his mishandling of classified documents. However, the trajectory of these cases shifted dramatically after a series of legal setbacks, including a dismissal by a Trump-appointed judge and a ruling from the U.S. Supreme Court that suggested former presidents enjoy significant immunity regarding official actions. Smith's departure was not entirely unexpected. He had indicated his intention to step down prior to Trump's inauguration, especially after the president-elect publicly stated his desire to terminate Smith's position. The final week of Smith's tenure was underscored by yet another legal hurdle when Judge Aileen M. Cannon temporarily obstructed the public release of his confidential report, which was submitted on January 7, 2025. The implications of Smith's resignation extend beyond the courtroom. As Trump prepares to reclaim the White House, the legal strategies employed by Smith and his team are now rendered moot. Both of the criminal cases Smith oversaw were dropped after Trump's election win, as federal guidelines typically discourage the prosecution of sitting presidents. Since the beginning of these investigations, Trump has consistently denied any wrongdoing, labeling the legal actions as politically motivated attacks aimed at undermining his campaign. The former president has leveraged these allegations to galvanize his supporters, raising substantial campaign funds during court appearances and framing the narrative that the political establishment is conspiring against him and his followers. The significance of Smith's resignation cannot be overstated. It marks a potential end to the legal consequences Trump may face regarding the allegations of election interference and mishandling of classified documents. This situation has sparked a backlash that many believe has fueled Trump's political resurgence. Smith's appointment in November 2022 followed intense scrutiny of the events surrounding the January 6th Capitol attack, and his role was seen as an effort to ensure an independent investigation into Trump's actions. However, the recent developments have raised questions about the effectiveness of the legal system in holding a former president accountable. As Trump prepares to assume office once again, he has hinted at possible retribution against those who investigated him, including Smith. This prospect raises concerns about the future of legal accountability in the United States, especially for individuals in positions of power. The cases against Trump were historic, marking the first federal prosecutions of a former U.S. president. Smith's investigations centered on serious allegations, including the illegal retention of national security documents and efforts to undermine the electoral process. In announcing the election-related indictment in August 2023, Smith emphasized the gravity of the situation, describing the January 6th attack as an unprecedented assault on American democracy fueled by falsehoods propagated by Trump. Despite the challenges faced by Smith and his team, including a Trump-appointed judge's dismissal of charges and the Supreme Court's ruling favoring Trump, the investigations highlighted the complexities of prosecuting a former president. With Smith's resignation, the future of these legal battles remains uncertain, but it is clear that the political landscape in the U.S. is shifting dramatically. As this story continues to develop, many are left wondering what this means for Trump's future and the broader implications for American democracy. Will Trump's legal troubles resurface, or will this mark the end of accountability for a former president? Only time will tell as the nation watches closely. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.